Imagine waking up tomorrow, checking your phone, and seeing your first $10,000 month notification. And no one, not your boss, your neighbor, or that nosy coworker, has any clue how you did it because you never showed your face, ever. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to walk you through 6 faceless income streams that people across the UK, Canada, and yes, your country too, are quietly using to hit that $10K month mark. No gimmicks, just strategies built for this new digital age. But here's the catch. Most people will miss the hidden dangers along the way and burn out before they ever see their first dollar. And no, this isn't about selling your old socks on eBay. Though hey, who am I to judge what works? Let's start your blueprint. Stay with me till the end, because the last point could literally make or break your journey. First up, YouTube automation. Yes, YouTube! Without showing your face, without speaking, without filming. People in Bosca and ultimately are building channels around topics like luxury, tech reviews, and finance explainers. They script, hire voiceovers, grab stock footage or AI visuals, and rake in ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate income. But here's what most don't realize. If you copy others, you'll get buried. The platform's smarter than that. The key? Original angles. Imagine a luxury car facts channel, but from the lens of what not to buy instead of the same old top 10 lists. And before you ask, no, you don't need to buy a Lamborghini to talk about one. But what if I told you there's a way to earn without dealing with even one social media algorithm? Welcome to the world of print on demand powered by AI design tools. You create a brand, Faceless. You upload AI-generated art to sites like Redbubble, Teespring, or Shopify integrated pod platforms. Someone in Toronto or London buys that design on a hoodie. Satisfied. You profit while you sleep. But here's the urgency. AI designs are flooding the market. If you wait, you'll be one of a million. You need your unique niche, fast. Think retro UK slang tees or minimalist Canadian city art. Just don't slap A on everything. That's not a brand. That's lazy. Okay, but let's say design isn't your thing. What about making money using skills you already have, even if you think they're useless? Faceless freelancing. No calls, no video meetings. You offer services on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Contra. Writing, data entry, audio editing, coding, voiceover using AI tools. The list goes on. Some Canadian freelancers are quietly pulling in 10K miles dollars by scaling, outsourcing parts of their work while staying behind the scenes. Imagine, you're sipping coffee at a cafe in Manchester or Montreal while your team finishes your client's work. But let's be real. Who's paying 5,000 pounds for a logo? Someone out there. And they're not on Facebook Marketplace. Still with me? Because next is a method where you don't sell anything, yet you profit from people's purchases. Affiliate marketing, done smart. No blogging, no YouTube face reveals. You set up faceless funnels. Think Pinterest pins, Medium posts, AI written guides. People click your link, they buy. You get a cut. Simple, scalable. But here's where beginners fail. They spam links. Platforms hate that. And trust me, bans are brutal. The trick? Give value before you pitch. Or hey, just message Jeff Bezos. Maybe he'll send you affiliate commission directly. Worth a shot? You're probably wondering, these sound great, but is there a way to build something forever faceless with no daily grind? The answer? Yes. Digital products, templates, Notion systems, study guides, AI prompt packs, stuff you create once and sell forever. No video calls, no face reveals, just value, packaged. People in Mirgashimalis are making thousands with these on Gumroad, Coffee, or even Etsy. Everyone talks tactics. Few build systems. Without systems, you'll burn out. With systems, you scale effortlessly. Whatever model you choose, YouTube automation, POD, affiliate, systematize, batchwork, automate, hire, or you'll be stuck on a hamster wheel. Because this opportunity window, it's shrinking. AI is accelerating. The winners are moving now. Will you? Now you've got the map. But before you rush off, here's the dangerous part. In 2025, AI investments will explode, and many will fall into traps that will destroy their wealth faster than they built it. So if you're serious about living smart, watch this next. Avoid these 5 AI investment traps in 2025. It's on screen now. Click it. Your future self will thank you.